Today we will discuss what is unitary method. In mathematics, one is called unit and the techniques using unit to solve a problem is called unitary method. Now we will solve a word problem to see how it works. In this method, we first find the value of a unit items by division and then we calculate the required value by multiplication of the unit items by the number of given items. So let's do an example using unitary method. Let me write the question first. A train covers 272 kilometers in 4 hours. What distance will it cover in 7 hours? So now using unitary method, we need to solve this word problem. So let's read the question once again. A train covers 272 kilometers in 4 hours. What distance will it cover in 7 hours? So first we know the distance covered in 4 hours. So first we need to find the distance covered in 1 hour. So to do that, let's write the statement. Solution. Distance covered in 4 hours is equal to 272 kilometers. Distance covered in 1 hour. First we need to find how much distance covered in 1 hour. So to find the distance covered in 1 hour, we need to divide 272 kilometers divided by 4 is equal to 68 kilometers. Now let's read the remaining part of the question. What distance will it cover in 7 hours? We know distance covered in 1 hour is 68 kilometers. Therefore, distance covered in 7 hours. So for that we need to multiply 68 kilometers into 7 is equal to 476 kilometers. Now we will write the answer. Answer is equal to a train covers 476 kilometers in 7 hours. This is how we use the unitary method to solve the problem. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe Math Only Math for more videos. Thank you.